Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dhwani and I create content related to lifestyle. In today's video, I am showing all things I bought for myself for my birthday. So I thought I need to splurge a little more than usual. I hadn't shopped a lot, since past couple of months. So I decided to treat myself with things I love and I will need. So I've got skincare, I've got a little bit of makeup, not too much. I have gotten my birthday dress. I needed a zipper for a very, very, very long time because I broke the one I had. So I've got that. I have got a little bit of clothing as well. So I've got little bit things from Nykaa, Westside, Zudio, Myntra and Closet Use. So come along. We'll start with Nykaa. It mostly contains of skincare, body care and a little bit of makeup. So I have like 4 boxes from Nykaa. So we'll just start with it. I am super excited. I have ordered all this stuff like long back. It's been like 2 weeks कि ये सारा सामान आ गया, but I did not have time to shoot, so I did not open any of the products. So I'm opening it with you guys. Let's go. We'll start with this chotu box first. I know what it has. It has my Bobbi Brown's primer. We ran. Also guys, a small disclaimer, I'm really sorry if you can hear some construction work because I don't know, when I started shooting this suddenly decided कि अभी तो हम कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम करेंगे, इसका वीडियो खराब करेंगे. So please ignore that. I'm really sorry for the background noise. I hope कि वो ना आए, but still sorry. As I was saying, I've got my Bobbi Brown primer from Nykaa. I love this product. मेरी बहन को उसकी फ्रेंड ने दिया था while she was working at Estee Lauder. तो उसको ये Bobbi Brown का प्राइमर आया था. We started using it under our makeup, and makeup के नाम पे mind me, I only use blush, little concealer when I haven't gotten like my beauty sleep, and lipstick and all, but that's it, and even mascara. But again, this I applied and I have like a flawless skin. I have like a flawless base. और मुझे ये blush apply करने के बाद मुझे हमेशा boils आ जाते हैं. But if I apply this primer, it's hands down the best primer I have ever used. मुझे actually इसका बड़ा size मंगवाना था, but it was out of stock, so I just ordered a छोटू one for now. But please do order it in sale. अच्छा खासा discount मिल जाता है. It's a very छोटू bottle. I think it's only it's 7 ml, but it lasts more than a month. I will say that, and it's very cute. It does not have any smell, so it's a plus one. It's a chotu bottle by my sister and I. We both use it, and it lasts for more than a month. Again, it depends कि आप कितना use करते हो. I apply it only like when I'm doing my makeup, which is like every weekend, and sometimes when I have my office work and I want to apply makeup, तो तब only. But again, it lasts more than a month. This chotu bottle. So please do buy that. We are almost out of this perfume. It is so damn good. It is a dupe of Champagne Toast, Bath and Body Works का Champagne Toast का perfume, and इसमें लिखा भी है it, with the notes of champagne and berries, and it is so pretty, so beautiful. It is so damn good. After applying it, I feel super fresh. Again, it's not long lasting, but come on, it's still one of the best products I have used. We are almost done with it, so we thought ki sale hai, so we should again order one more, one more set of it, and it's really good. I don't mind reapplying it again and again. This is the only reason that I've got it. सुबह शाम दिन रात पूरा टाइम ये परफ्यूम मैं मम्मी और वृति लगा के सोते हैं, जगते हैं, सब कुछ इस परफ्यूम से ही स्टार्ट होता है हमारा पूरा दिन. So we have restocked it. Next up is this Mars lip oil. We already had one, but our niece and my sister, my cousin was in town, so she loved the product. My niece, she loved this a lot. She was reapplying it every single time, so we just gave it to her. And again, since sale hai, we might just restock on this. It is very pretty. I love this color. It's in the shade Cherry Cola. It's a proper brown for the Indian skin tone. तो हम मार्स का ही लिप लाइनर लगाता है, the brown one, and I apply this over it, and it is so pretty. I think it's perfect for Indian skin tone. It's 4 ml and it is very reasonable. I'm assuming कि हमें कुछ 350 जितने का कुछ पड़ा होगा. इस पे लिखा नहीं है पैसे. हाँ, ओ बहुत कम. It retails for 250, but I'm sure हमें कुछ 200 के अंदर मिला होगा ये. Next box. Wow, this contains a lot of stuff, you guys. this product. It is so damn cute. It's pink in color. I love the packaging. It's Etudes Glow Tint. This is a Korean brand, and I absolutely love this product. So my colleague, she got this product, from Nykaa sale. I applied it. It was so damn good. It was so pretty. It looked so pretty on her. I applied it on myself. It looked so cute and pretty. So I just ordered it myself. And you guys, wait for the packaging. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's pink. Actually, it's mauve. So I love it. It's very chotu. It will easily go into my bag. And I absolutely love the packaging. मतलब ये जो ऊपर glass का लगा हुआ है. It's very pretty. This is the wand and it is a very pretty shade. I haven't applied it since I've got it, but I'm really excited to apply it. It's in the shade Mauve Mint and it is absolutely amazing. So it's my favorite so far. Next is my go-to face wash. It's from Dot and Key. It's a foaming face wash with vitamin C. I absolutely love it. अगर आपके पास makeup vibes से ऐसा कुछ नहीं है निकालने के लिए, if you don't have your micellar water, this is the only product that you will need. आप इसको 2-3 बार, दो बार face wash कर लो and all the product, all the gunk will get out. This is the only reason I keep on repurchasing it. मुझे ये actually आया था एक बार collab में and I absolutely fell in love with it. And that's it. उसके बाद मैंने इसको कभी यूज करना बंद नहीं किया है, so love it. Next is this body mist from Plum Body Loving. This is in the flavor vanilla caramello. I have their body lotion which is so good. It reminds me of fall season for some reason, and again for winter. It's winter appropriate as well. This is again a dupe for Sol de Janeiro. So it's a dupe for this Sol de Janeiro. This is in the variant Cheriosa 62. It's literally the dupe of this product. So this is the only reason. Actually, मैंने गलती से order कर दिया था. I was ordering for Tripping Mimosa. I really love that mist. It's very fruity, very florally. I don't know if that's even a word, but it was very fruity and I absolutely love that scent. ये actually मैंने बिना देखे read किए इसको order कर लिया, but I smelled it and it was the exact dupe of Sol de Janeiro, so I've decided to keep it. And the main purpose to order this perfume was to keep it in my office bag or in my office drawer. I needed something chotu, something small, to carry it with me. And I think this size is like good enough to keep in my makeup pouch. I needed इससे भी छोटा size, but I think this is also absolutely fine. So इसका मैं पहले body lotion लगाऊंगी और फिर I'll apply this mist and I'm going to smell like a dessert. Next up, again, I have my favorite shampoo from Herbal Essences. It's in the variant Argan Oil of Morocco. This is the only shampoo that works for me. इससे मेरे बाल थोड़े voluminous हो जाता है. It's frizz free. Sometimes I do have like a frizzy hair. It totally depends on the weather, but in winters especially थोड़ा dry and frizzy हो जाता है मेरे बाल. So this is the all time favorite shampoo for me. इसके साथ साथ I've ordered its hair mask also. This is the hair mask that I've ordered. It's of the same shampoo ka variant. It's again Argan Oil Repair Hair Mask, and I am sure it's going to be damn good because the shampoo is like super good. So I'm really excited to use this साथ में. Of course, I'll apply it like once a week, but it seems like a very promising product to me. Again, I've got this like Chotu primer with my Bobbi Brown's actual primer. It was a freebie. But this is the only freebie that I have gotten. Last Nykaa box. This is my absolute favorite. So next up we have this Nykaa Wanderlust body scrub. It's again in the same flavor of the mist, which was champagne and berries. So guys, I have their body wash. I don't know where it is currently. I have their body wash, I have their lotion, their mist, and their body scrub now. I am sure I'm going to smell like cherries and champagne this season. I absolutely love it. And I am sure that this product is going to be wonderful. So this is a new product, which I'll be trying from this range. I'm very excited for that. Last but not the least from Nykaa is my favorite candle from Bath and Body Works. You guys must have already, guessed by now. It's the candle by. I have been wanting this product for a very long time. It's very expensive. It's of 4,000 और सेल में मुझे कभी भी नहीं मिलता. It's always out of stock. I was in luck this time and drum roll please. I have this candle from Bath and Body Works. It's in the flavor champagne toast and I love this product. My mommy gifted me the perfume for the very first time from Bath and Body Works. It was the champagne toast one. I fell in love with that product, but मैं कभी वापस ले नहीं पाई because it is damn expensive. Again, सेल पे मुझे कभी भी नहीं मिलता. It's always out of stock. अगर अभी आप भी जाओगे on Nykaa and if you check the product, it's going to be out of stock for sure. And I finally have it. I have no words, guys. It's pink. I love pink. Plus, oh my god, it smells so good. The only thing about this product is it's supposed to be 3 wick, but I've gotten only 2 wick. I don't mind it at all. I will do some jugaad, but it was on sale. The original price is 4,000 as I mentioned, but I got it only for 1,800. I'll still, keep on checking if I get to replace the product, but if not, I'm just going to keep it. I don't care. I don't mind. I absolutely love this product. I've been so happy. My sister was in shock when I told her that I finally ordered this product, and I'm so happy. I can't wait to use this product. I think मैं मेरे birthday के दिन पे ही उसको use करूँगी. It's pink. I love it. Cute. Plus, just guys, take a moment and appreciate the packaging of this product, the color of this product. I'm absolutely in love. I don't know, मैंने बहुत बार बोला है. Also, guys, I think my nails are also matching with this product. So this was everything I got from Nykaa. Let's move on to Myntra. I have this huge box from Myntra, and this is the only item that has been shipped to me from Myntra. I don't know why. Myntra is always on time, but ठीक है. I finally have the tumbler, you guys. It's from House of Coke. The packaging of this product is so damn cute. इस पे यहाँ पे भी cute सा font use किया है. The overall tumbler situation is also very nice. I like their font. I love the color scheme that they have used. You guys, wait for the tumbler, wait for the reveal. It's so damn cute. I have been loving pink this entire season, and I have of course ordered a pink tumbler for me, but it has white stripes with it. It's like a pink and white stripe. I am in love using this tumbler. थोड़ा सा actually थोड़ा बहुत मैला है, but I think if I wash it once, it's going to be fine. I do not want to return it, but I absolutely love the product. It's like very sturdy as well. I have noticed that using a tumbler increases my water intake. मैं easily 2-3 लीटर पानी पी लेती थी while I was in office, और घर आके भी I'm sure कि 1 लीटर पानी तो मैं पी ही लेती थी. So I really needed it. मेरा ये ना ऊपर का ढक्कन टूट गया था from the other bottle which I had, but I think ये वाला also cap will work on that bottle, so I think I'll be able to use both the bottles, and I am like very excited to use this from next weekend. So I have also ordered like couple of tops from Myntra. I have ordered this top from H&M. I haven't, the products haven't been delivered to me yet. It's this full sleeves top in pretty maroon color. It's also shimmery. It has like glitter all over it, which I feel it's perfect for Christmas from Trendyol. It's right over here. The black one is this halter neck top, which I love the buckle detailing over here. It's a halter neck top. It's very chic, very pretty. Let's move on to Zudio and Westside. This is the bag from Westside. Actually, इसमें Zudio और Westside दोनों के कपड़े हैं. I have literally ordered like very few items. First up are these platform heels from Westside. इस पे black color का band है with this gold detailing, and the overall platforms, the overall heel are in brown color. I am sure कि ये सारे कपड़े के साथ जाएंगे. Not that expensive. I got it for like 1,700, but मुझे इस पे और 20% discount मिला because it was my birthday month. The next thing that I've got from Westside is this pajama set, and I absolutely love it. It's in this gingham print, red and white gingham print. It has this cute nada also, and I absolutely love the pant. They have frills over it, और same shirt में भी वैसा ही है. They have frills on the side and on the sides, and I absolutely love it. They have frills all over here and on the pocket as well, so I absolutely love it. I love the color. I think जो भी हमारा Christmas day के लिए, I think it's like a perfect night wear. And overall the quality is also really good. This is expensive. I found it a bit expensive. It retails for 1,700, but again I got it on a 20% off. It's still expensive for a nightwear, but I think Christmas है, birthday है, so चल जाता है. Next up is this brown sweater from Zudio. The quality of the sweater is really good. I don't know, मतलब I feel कि H&M वाली quality है इस sweater में. सारे office wear में भी चला जाएगा. It's like winters तो मुंबई में इतनी ठंडी नहीं होती बाय द वे गाइस, बट तो भी हमारे ऑफिस में तो अच्छा खासा टेम्परेचर लगा रहता है. आई हैव गॉट दिस इन अ मीडियम साइज. आई यूजुअली प्रेफर स्मॉल साइज, बट मुझे लगा कि टक इन और ये सब करना होगा, सो अ मीडियम साइज वुड हेल्प. एंड कल मैं गई थी बैंड्रा में, तो इसको मैंने एज अ स्कार्फ बनाया था on a top. I'll add a picture over somewhere over here, and it looked really pretty. And the quality again, it's very nice. It's turtleneck, so safety हर जगह से ठंडी से बचूंगी मैं ये सीजन में. This is a really soft top, so absolutely love it. By the way, I got this for like 7.99 or something. I don't remember the actual price, but इतना ही कुछ प्राइस में मिलता है from Zudio. And if H&M से अगर लेने जाओगे तो ये सेम टॉप आपको कुछ 1600 या 1500 में मिलेगा. So I think it's a steal. I have one more top from Zudio, and oh my god, I absolutely love it. The material is so soft and it feels like ऐसे softy snowman type, and the crop top जैसा स्वेटर, बट द स्लीव्स आर लाइक वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फ्लेड स्लीव्स है इसके. आई गॉट इट इन अ स्मॉल साइज एंड इट्स ओनली फॉर 600 यू गाइस. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. आई थिंक मेरे क्रिसमस के 2-3 प्लान्स है, सो आई थिंक ऑल दीज आउटफिट्स आर लाइक रियली गोइंग टू गो विद इट. फ्यू आइटम्स फ्रॉम हिल रोड एज वेल. मैं कल हिल रोड गई थी. आई गॉट ओनली वन टॉप एंड ज्वेलरी फॉर माई बर्थडे आउटफिट. अगेन I don't know why, but I am falling for everything gingham print. This is the top. This is a tube top. It's in gingham print. I absolutely love the color, you know, very Christmassy appropriate. मैंने actually बहुत सारे कपड़े ले लिए ये सोच के कि मैं क्रिसमस के दिन पे पहनूंगी. Again, very stupid of me, but it's like very stretchable material. मैंने अंकल को बोला है, if this does not fit me, I am going to come, you know, exchange it. I got it only for 300 rupees. अंकल ने बहुत जल्दी मान गए थे. He asked 350 for it. मैंने बोला कि भैया 300 रुपए दूंगी. He agreed. And नीचे also it's like a balloony, you know, situation, balloon type top है. I think it will look very pretty. Lastly, I've got like few pieces of jewelry. Everything is in silver because it will match with my birthday outfit. First up are these basic hoops. Nothing can go wrong with hoops. I got it in chotu size because I don't have any, you know, silver jewelry. You guys know I'm obsessed with bow and pink, but I've gotten like this jewelry in silver. It's bow shaped. I think it would really go well with any outfit, and it's very pretty. I needed something, you know, in silver because my paas gold mein to already bow hai. I have got one more hoops, but these are like, they have like some structure to it, and again it looked very pretty. So main leke aayi. You can never go wrong with hoops is what I have learned. By the way, everything was for 100 rupees. I have got these dangling earrings, and they are very chotu, very dainty, and I thought कि मेरे birthday outfit में दोनों बर्थडे आउटफिट में काफी अच्छी लगेगी. सो आई जस्ट गॉट दीज. वन, एक में तो सिर्फ डायमंड है, एक में हार्ट है और एक में बो शेप्ड है. सो इट्स वेरी प्रीटी. एक्चुअली बो नहीं है, इट हैज हार्ट्स एंड फ्लावर्स. सॉरी, माय बैड. It's very pretty. Lastly, I got this very dainty neck piece. Again, it's in silver. मैंने सिर्फ silver jewelry खरीदी है. So this is the neck piece. It has like cute छोटू cherry over it. It's in silver. Very dainty, very pretty. I absolutely loved it. वो cherry में भी diamond बना हुआ है. I'm not so sure if you guys can see it. मैं इधर रखती हूँ तो शायद दिखेगा. It's very pretty. I absolutely love it. I just can't wait for my birthday. Lastly, it's my birthday dress. I've got it from Closet Use. First item is this halter neck dress. It's black and white polka dots all over it. I absolutely love it. Oh my god, the material is really good. There's a slit. No, there's no slit, but it's a long dress. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to dress it up. Also, इसके साथ I'll wear that my dainty cherry earrings and dainty cherry necklace and one of these earrings. Not so sure, will decide on the day of my birthday, but it's again very pretty. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to wear it. This is my day outfit. And lastly, this is my night outfit. Again, it's a full length dress. It's this dress. It's an ivory color. Again, it's in satin. I love the net detailing which is going near my you know, stomach or my yeah, my stomach or my base. This do have a slit, you know, on the side, and I absolutely love it. I love this color. I love the ivory color. I'll pop up my birthday picture somewhere over here, and that's it. That was my mini, not so mini birthday shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so much fun, you know, shooting this. I had to like reshoot multiple bits again because my storage was full. I did not clear my phone storage, but that was a me problem. And yeah, this is it. If you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.